Want to know what you guys think? Check out Mocha. She's got a little belly on her. Check her out. She's got some explaining to do. I wonder what could have happened. What's going on, everybody? I'm out here enjoying a beautiful day with the dogs. You got Peaches right there, right around. That guy's got some explaining to do right there. That guy. He's putting in work behind my back without me knowing. What the hell, buddy? Huh? No. Stop. Yep, I'm pretty sure he got Mocha. Even though she was put up throughout her whole heat. Yep, I'm pretty sure he got her. Filito. Just turned her year-old last week. But yeah, I'm pretty sure, 95% sure he got her. Is that right, Mocha? Mocha, he got you? Yeah, he got her. Dogs being dogs, man. Enjoying a beautiful day out here. Yeah, Vienna's doing great with her puppies. First male, only male, is sold already. You got 3 females left available. One is the blue tri. I'm not gonna keep her. The blue tri is available. I will be doing a video of the puppies next week. They will be 4 weeks old. Out there taking care of business. Everybody wants to see that. And you got the man right here, the new man of the yard, Frijolito. Can't wait for this boy to start popping. He should be something though. He should be something. All the dogs are doing great. Man putting in, well, the boy is putting in work already at 1 year old. Hopefully we have a successful litter. Here goes Peaches. She should be next. The new man of the yard. The new man of the yard. Check him out. Frijolito, where you going? Yeah, like I was saying, Vienna is doing great. We got 3 little girls available. The 2 black ones, they're black Trendos. They got the brindle markings on. They got the tri markings on them, so they're considered to be black Trendos because they have the tri markings. So 2 black females. The blue tri is going to be available. And yeah, shipping will be available. No matter where you're at in the States, I could get the puppy to you. May deliver it in person. It all depends. It all depends. But yeah, puppies are available. 3 females, 1 blue tri, and 2 black Trendos. They're all going to be pocket size. Females, ABKC registered. Puppies are healthy. They're doing great. These 2 guys right there should make a great couple. Like I said, I'm 95% sure he got her. Even though I thought her heat had passed already. They should make a good couple. They're both pocket size. Mocha! Mocha! Not listening what Frijolito is. Come here! Come here! Probably looking for a wet place to poop. Yeah, so 3 females available. By the looks of it, nobody's interested in a raffle, which that's fine. No problem here on my side. Puppies will be ABKC registered. First, second set of shots. Shipping is available. Shipping is available. Alright guys, peace out. Have a wonderful day. Summer is on its way. 2022. Let's have a great year, guys. Peace out. What's going on, everybody? Puppy's first day eating mush. They're doing great. They're picking up on it real good. Besides that little black female walking all over it, there is the blue tri. Doesn't care much for it, but it's her first day. This girl picked up on it very, very well. She is one of the biggest ones out of the litter. Besides that blue tri female there, there's the smallest out of the litter. But look at her head, though. Does not match her body. She got a huge head, little body. With my other black female, black trendle, just laying back with that blue tri. Here's my keeper, guys, balled up in the corner, full. Look at that headpiece on her. Check her out. Short little tail, that's what I went with. Yep, sneak peek, guys. Sneak peek. Peace out.